Hi, welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes. So today I'm going to show you how to change the under engine splash shield on the Proton Inspira aka Lancer 08. Alright, so from what I know, the Lancer uses a bigger splash shield than this. Alright, under engine cover some call it. Alright, so Inspira uses a smaller ones. Okay, so make sure you buy the correct size. Alright, if you saw in my previous videos, the one that I talked about how to remove the front bumper, you notice that I actually bought the splash shield for the Lancer at that time and it doesn't fit. It was too big. Alright, this is the one meant for the Inspira and it's much smaller. Alright, so you might be wondering, hey, my splash shield is broken, so it doesn't affect the performance, it doesn't affect anything. No, you are wrong. If it's broken to the point where water splashes up on your engine, well, you will have problems whereby your belt will get dirty, will get sand, will get stones over there, and you will have a premature failure on your serpentine belt. Alright, just like in my car, the serpentine belt only lasted less than a year. No, slightly more than a year. And I've just recently changed it again. Alright, and it was very dirty, it was cracking. Well, it wasn't lasting as long as what it was previously. Alright, simply because my splash shield is gone, things get kicked up and my belt was gone. Alright, another thing is that your engine is hot. If water keeps splashing to it, especially when it's raining, then you will have problem whereby there's a chance that your block will crack. But that is very rare. Most likely it won't happen. Alright, but that's the worst case scenario. Alright, so make sure to check your splash shield. If it's broken, make sure you have it replaced. Alright, in my case, it's broken in a couple of places. Alright, it's broken here. Alright, you can see it's broken here. It's broken here. This portion is gone. I have no idea where it went. Alright, so mine will be slightly more difficult because I have this metal shield underneath here, whereby I have to drill two holes on the splash shield to accommodate these two holes. Okay, so what I'll do now is I will unbolt this, take this down. Alright, then there will be 5 bolts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 bolts. Then we will have a couple of clips here. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. Okay, then we have 2 more on the other side. Same goes this side. 4 clips here, then 2 more clips at the side. Alright, and there's another 2 more clips here. 2 more clips here as well. Alright, so let's remove this and have a look at it. Alright. Okay, so we have managed to get the old splash shield out, and as you can see, the old one is broken in pieces here, everywhere. Alright, there are some parts missing as well. Okay, alright, so we will need to transfer this over to the new one. Same goes with this side. We have to transfer this to that side. Alright, so how do we transfer it? Very simple, it's just a tap, press it, push it, then transfer it over. And I will need to drill this hole and this hole over to that side, here and here, to accommodate my metal engine shield at the bottom there. Okay, so we have installed the splash shield. All right, so this is the front lower engine splash shield. Okay, so there are 3 clips here, 1, 2, 3 on the back here. There are 2 over here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 2 more over here, if you can see. Okay, then on this side is 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 2 over here. All right, and then 2 more at the side over there. Okay, and then 5 bolts like I mentioned. Okay, so make sure all these are secure. All right, there are some holes here that are not used at all. All right, there's nothing at the back, so there's no point in putting clips here. All right, this is most likely for original splash shield that is meant for this car. Okay, so if you notice, the clips that I'm using is a bunch of variety actually. All right, because when I took out the old clips, it's brittle, it broke. Some of the examples here, you can see this is broken, this is in pieces, this is in still an okay shape, but I'm not using it. All right, so it's helpful if you have a box of bumper clips like this, so you get to choose which one suits and which one fits and just put it in. Okay, so right, let's talk a bit about this DIY. All right, overall time taken is about 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes. All right, it's actually a very simple DIY. They are just clips and bolts, that's it. In terms of the cost, this splash shield costs about 90 ringgit, which is roughly about 20 US dollar, 21 US dollars. All right, it's not original, but who cares, man? This is non-critical parts. It fits. All right, it does its job to prevent water from being splashed upwards. All right, if you see, this is where the belt area is, and there's a small hole here. All right, it's exactly like the original, but this portion is blocked off, so water don't really go inside there. Same goes with this portion. Okay, so this whole portion, which is your radiator, is also covered, so that is good. Yeah, that's all there is to talk about this. So as usual, if you have not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, hit the like button as well. All right, because that is very much appreciated, and I will see you again next time.